Hi girls and boys, it's Miss Doyle, your drama teacher. And today I'm going to read you a book called Chocho is for Butterfly. Now some of you know that I spent some time in Japan and I had such a fantastic time. Became curious about the Japanese language, which is also very beautiful. So I'd like to read you this little book of Japanese vocabulary. Many of you already speak more than one language. This is a very pretty language as well. So let's read. Chocho is for butterfly. And if you're Japanese, you might realize that maybe my pronunciation isn't that great, but I'm trying my best. And if you can correct me, please write in and tell me how to say the words properly. Okay, thank you. Chocho is for butterfly. Chocho is for butterfly by Janine Sakasi and Frances Uyeda. A. Atama, head. B. Budo, grapes. C. Chocho, butterfly. D. Denwa, phone. E. Ebi, shrimp. Fune, F. Fune, boat. Gi, gakko, school. H. Hana, flower. I. Itai, sore. J. Jidosha, or car. K. Casa, or umbrella. L. Lemon, or remon. M. Megane, glasses. N. Ningyo, doll. O. Odori, dance. P. Pan, or bread. Q. Queen, Ju. R. Ringo, or apple. S. Sakana, fish. T. Tamago, egg. U. Udon, noodles. V. Vase, or cabin. W. Wata, or cotton. X. X-ray, or rentgen. Y. Yubiwa, or ring. Z. Zori, or sandals. The end. Girls and boys, I enjoyed this book so much when I was little that I started to learn all the words in different languages for butterfly. It turns out the word butterfly has a beautiful sound in every language. So I'm collecting words for butterfly. Could you please send me the word for butterfly in another language? Not English, not Japanese, but any other language. Please write to me and tell me what is the word for butterfly in another language. I'm sure it's a beautiful sounding word for a beautiful creature, a butterfly. Girls and boys, see you next time.